you what row I start the hair because I've never made one of these. This is one braid I did. Yes, I'm doing every other row. So I'm thinking, because I'm making 2 braids, I'm thinking I'm going to zip tie each braid into this hole on row 4. So I'll have one braid going down like this and one braid going down like this. And I'll show you how I made the braid. I believe it was 24 inches that I cut. So 18. Okay. Move this other way. So I'm using this tan colored fabric mesh. You can use whatever mesh you want, poly jute, even normal deco mesh if you want to do it like this. And we're going to cut 3 pieces. Oh.
You still need my hands?
What, honey?
You still need my hands?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry. 3 pieces at 18 inches, okay? Isn't it adorable? It almost actually looks like a braid because I'll show you what I did to the bottom of it. So we need 3 pieces at 18 inches. So 1. Actually, honey, you can go. You're good. I'll figure it out. 2. So I didn't have hair or wig or whatever. I know. I've been eating so much. Okay, so 3 pieces. And what I did is I put the 3 pieces together. On top of each other. And I scrunched the top just like this. And I put a zip tie around it. Now, I wouldn't do an elastic because elastic is, it won't last, and if the elastic breaks, then your braid might come undone. So just put a zip tie across the top. Now, this is where I was going to need lollies. This is just a fabric mesh. It's just a plain fabric mesh. It's the only color natural I had in my closet. You can use a poly jute, which is probably you'll be able to get that a lot easier. You can even use normal deco mesh, like black or brown or whatever. Then I separated each piece. This is what I wanted lolly for, but that's okay. So I kind of rolled this piece in, and we're just going to braid it. Now I'm just going to clip it. I think I'll just clip it to my table. How am I going to do this? I'll clip it. See if I can clip it to the cutting mat here. Hey, that'll work. Okay, so you take, it's sticking to my thing. Actually, I should have kept Lolly down here with me. Duchess, can you come hold this? So, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Now you could use burlap to do this as well. You know what? I'm putting it in my mouth. I'm going to watch. Okay, there we go. When you're done, put a zip tie around it. I put it in my mouth. What the heck?
Did you get it or need help?
No, I got it. I just put it in my mouth.
There's a big delay. I don't know when it came down.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so
I'm a nice guy.
you are a nice guy. Nobody said that. You're just a fun sucker. All right, put another zip tie at the bottom. Cut it off. Again, don't use an elastic because it might just disintegrate. Now what I did, I trimmed the bottom, okay, and I want it to fray. So I started pulling out the strings, and it was easy when I was doing it with the scissors. So it looks like hair. Super genius, right? Yes, this is fabric mesh. But you can do it with deco mesh. You can do it with poly burlap. You can use burlap, just normal, like a 6-inch roll of burlap. Just cut 3 pieces and braid. You could even use yarn. But this is what I had, and it worked. Okay, so I just frayed all this so it actually looks like the end of the hair. Cute, eh? I love you, fun sucker, Dave. He's a fun sucker. See, if it wasn't for Dave, I'd probably give the company away. Dave's always the one, no, Laura, you can't do that, and you can't do this, and you can't spend this, and there. Then I just trimmed it up. There we go. We have a braid that looks like a little bit of hair. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Now, at the bottom of the braid, I put a little bow. I cut them at 20 inches. Did I say 20 inches? Oh, one's longer than the other. Inches, I think. I can't remember. I cut them. If you cut it at 20 inches, you're good. How long it needs to be, however. So I have these things in my closet called pull bows. Do you guys know what pull bows are? They're cheater bows. I don't know why I have them. I have a whole bunch of them. I have everything. If there's something that's crafting, I probably have it. My cutting board is 34 inches. So what you do with these, you get these pull bows, and these are just, like I said, cheater bows, and you just pull the center of this ribbon. Now you can just make normal bows with your hands, but look how all the barb. So I just did a pull bow, and then you tie it, and look how cute it is. Isn't that cute? Yes, they're used for gifts. You're right, Margarita. However, I don't know why I have a ton of white and a ton of burgundy ones. I don't know what I was going to do with them. And then I just tied the bow around the bottom of her hair, of her braid. I'll just knot it. And you guys can just make a normal bow. And I left a little bit of little streamers there. And then we'll get one of these little sunflowers off the bouquet. I just cut back this little green stem, and I just glued it in the middle of the bow. Can you get them at Michael's? I think I got these at a long time ago. If I recall, I got them at Paper Mart. papermart.com. So there's her hair. Okay, so we got hair done. Hair did. And I guess we have to put the hat on. Now, I think I'm going to, like I said, I think I'm going to put each braid in the center here. And just have them come down like this. How does that look? Does that look cute? They're a little long. I think I need to shorten them.